Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Devolo 8868 Wi-Fi Repeater. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for all over your home, then this Devolo 8868 setup is the one of the best solution. The Devolo 8868 Wi-Fi Repeater is a compact device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones in your home. It connects wirelessly to your router and extends the network. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, take your TP-Link RE365 extender and plug it into a wall socket close to your main router for the initial setup. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED turns solid on. This means the extender is powered up properly. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. It's usually marked with WPS or a small two-arrow, circular icon. On some routers, it may be inside a recessed hole that you press with a pin. Press the WPS button on your router. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking. This means the router is now searching for a device to pair with. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Devolo 8868 repeater. The repeater's LED will begin blinking, showing it's pairing with the router. After a short while, about 30 to 60 seconds, the repeater will connect to your router. The LED on the repeater will turn solid, green/white, confirming a successful connection. Once paired, unplug the repeater and move it to a midway point between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Plug it into a socket there. Wait until the LED shows a stable connection. Your devices can now connect to the extended Wi-Fi. Depending on your settings, the repeater may use the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router or create a new one, e.g., home Wi-Fi_XT. Now your setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.